Today I am at my kitchen doing a casual recording. So then I thought, why don't I make mine, my mom's and my dad's favorite dish, tomato fry. Although it is a fry, it has a slight gravy in it. So let's get into it. First, add coconut oil. Then wait until it heats. Next, add cumin seeds. And wait for them to splatter. So next, add onions. Saute. Mama, should I add this?
Yeah.
I'm not an expert like you, Mama. You're a bigger expert than me. I'm just a small, tiny chef. But you're a big chef. You can make so many yummy things. Add slit green chilies. Next, reduce the heat and add spices. Salt, chili powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, and sugar. So next, add curry leaves. Increase the heat a little bit. Next, add tomato. Cook it until well done and mushy. The tomatoes are done. Next, let's add our final ingredient, tomato juice. Cook it until the gravy thickens. Take a little bit more time. Then patience gives yumminess. Oh my god. Finally, add some chopped coriander leaves. Then switch off the flame after mixing the 2 bits. Yes. So wait it for to cool down and then curry is ready. So this is a very yummy curry. Oh, I know you will love it too. So now please share it to your friends. So if they want an idea how to make something special for their family, they can make it in just few minutes. Thank you for watching KichTube HD. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KichaTube. Bye! And click that little bell next to the subscribe button to be tuned to all my upcoming videos. So bye! Hello boys and girls, it's me Kicha. Welcome to Jam with Kicha, strictly for kids.